Hey there. So this isn't so much for those of you that have been shaving for a while, because I'm pretty sure that most of you have probably used today's product. And if you've just started having to get into shaving, well, Barbasol's not too bad of a place to start. A couple of interesting facts that, well, Barbasol will be hitting 100 years old next year. But they have not always been in this wonderful little can. This started out in about the 1950s. Barbasol tries to get everything made in America, from the products that they use inside of the can to the products of the can itself, which I think is pretty cool. Now this can that I happen to have here is the Soothing Aloe, and well, it's basically a can of shaving foam. And if I'm in a hurry, honestly guys, I'll still resort to the Barbasol can because, well, it's super cheap and it is super quick if I'm in a hurry. Now before I got into shaving with a brush and a shave soap and all that fun stuff, this is what I shaved with. I shaved with this for probably about the last 14 years. So I have tried some of their different cans, and honestly I always just went back to the Aloe or their original because honestly I really didn't tell a difference in much of the shave creams that they have. And I can't tell you what the scented ones are like because honestly, these don't really smell much and I kind of like that. So I never even tried any of the scented ones. Now, the nice thing about the cans like this is literally a 4-step process. Step 1, shake it up real good. Doesn't have to be for long. Just make sure that everything's all mixed up in there. Step 2, pop the lid off. Step 3, hold the can upright and press the top. Step 4, apply evenly to your face. Now if you really want to get a close shave, if you got a couple of days worth of growth, make sure that you really rub it in against the grain as well to help kind of lift up those hairs for a nice close shave. Then when you're done shaving, you just simply wipe off the excess. It's very simple. There's no brush to rinse out. There is nothing like that because it's all in the can. So yes, these do come in awfully handy. Now comparing this to other canned shaving creams, honestly I don't think that it really helped me get that much closer than any other canned cream has. Why buy this over the other stuff? Well, because to me anyway, they're all the same and this one's cheaper. So therefore, that's why I always went with Barbasol, because it's under $2. If you're lucky, you can find them for like 99 cents some places. And they also last quite a while. So if you're looking for a quick, easy way to shave without having to get out a brush, a bowl, and your shave soap, check out Barbasol. It's a decent product. I used it, like I said, on and off for 14 some years. Usually it was more on than it was off. If you want to buy it online without having to go to a big box store, hit that link down below. And well, if you like this review, make sure that you hit the subscribe button for more reviews each week. Let me know down in the comment section what you're currently using to shave. And until next time, you have a good one.